latest on COVID-19 here in Illinois. The state health department reporting a big drop in the number of new COVID cases and deaths, but numbers after the weekend are often lower. They are reporting nearly 4,700 new and probable cases and 98 more deaths. The statewide case positivity rate is still declining. It's at 7.5% right now.
A second COVID-19 vaccine is now being deployed across the country and here in Illinois, but it'll still be months before many people are able to receive it.
WGN's Patrick Elwood is joining us with who's next in line to get that vaccine. Pat.
Lourdes and Ben, good afternoon, and right you are. First it was Pfizer, now it's Moderna, rolling out its vaccine with as many as 30 million Americans who qualify, from some of the elderly folks out there to others considered essential workers who can now get immunized. The second COVID-19 vaccine made by pharmaceutical company Moderna is now being distributed. Approved by the FDA only several days ago, Moderna joins Pfizer in the war on coronavirus. Frontline healthcare workers started getting their shots last week. So, who's next in line? People 75 years and older and frontline essential workers, defined as first responders, educators, employees in the food and agricultural sector, manufacturing, corrections, post office, public transit, and grocery stores. It is estimated 30 million Americans are in this category. Also today, President-elect Joe Biden and his wife Jill got their immunizations as well, with Biden saying he felt it was a good way to show U.S. citizens the vaccines are safe.
I'm doing this to demonstrate that people should be prepared when it's available to take the vaccine. There's nothing to worry about.
This comes as Walgreens and CVS announced its pharmacists will administer the shots to millions of residents in long-term care facilities. But first, on Chicago's north side, frontline medical staff at Community First Medical Center rolled up their sleeves and got their shots. Community serves a largely working-class Hispanic population in areas of the city that have seen some of the highest COVID transmission rates since the pandemic's inception. So who's next? The next category, what is considered 1C, people who are 65 to 74, and then those who are 16 up to 64 with high-risk medical conditions, and then what are called other essential workers.